This is a mango, fresh from the tree, and I'm going to be enjoying it. This is what I eat being in the countryside. This is my knife. This is a fresh mango right from the tree. Choo-doo-doo-doo. Choo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. This is how I cut it. Mmm. Done, finished. Mango done. The second one that I'm gonna be eating is a fresh papaya or pawpaw from the leaf from the tree. As you can see, so fresh, you guys. So let's cut. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh my god, you said this, and cut like this. So you see, fresh papaya, you guys. I'm removing the peels, you guys, and also now I'm removing the seeds. This is the papaya is sweet and so succulent, you see. First remove the seeds. Pull the seeds out. Peel it. Peel it. Peel it. Separate it. Remove the plate, put it aside, and eat. This is So nice, so good, very organic, no chemicals, no nothing. I'm washing my hands down here. These are the pills. It's good to be in the countryside, you guys.